Hello, bakers. Time for some spooky cookies. I am Sophia the Hobbit.
Thank you for that marvelous introduction. I lost my voice because I've been a little sick, so I apologize in advance. Design it? 3D print it? Bake it? Now it's time to decorate! All of these designs were simple enough for me to sketch without a projector. Outline everything in black and then flood each section. I like to use a medium 15 count and a thick 20 count royal icing for my decorating. If you are new to cookie decorating, check out my egg white royal icing and no chill sugar cookie dough recipes. The links are below. This Ghost Plaque cookie is probably my favorite of this entire set. It's super simple design with plenty of room to write a name, or Happy Halloween, or Trick or Treat, or Spooky. I was so excited to decorate this witch hat cookie, I forgot to draw my design first. I wrote the color letter down so I wouldn't mix up what color goes where. . Wouldn't it be scary to pay for 11 spooky Halloween cookie cutters?
Haha.
No fear, these cookie cutter files are free. The links are below. Just download the file and 3D print them while you're trick-or-treating. Shout out to my friend, ChefDeParty on Twitch. Chef has some amazing cooking skills, and he's a very wise friend.
Making incredibly delicious food for all of you guys to see and for all of you guys to love with your eyes. Cheers, all of you beautiful people out there.
Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. So yeah, thank you for spending time cookie decorating. Happy Halloween, everybody. Bye.